Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video. Today I will try to show you how we can split screen into two parts on Windows 10. And if you see, if you can adjust the sizes as well, right, by dragging this splitter like this. So in this way you can have multiple applications on half of your screen. So let's say, for example, if you are scrolling here, you can compare. Let's say, for example, if you have two Excel files, you can compare, or you have ERP application on one side, another you have some other application or source of data which you want to compare or enter another screen. So you can use this one. There are different ways to do that. Okay, let me show you how to do that. And this I will make it full, right? Okay, let's say, for example, this screen, if I want to make it on left side, so on the title bar with the left mouse button clicked, I will drag this on the left side. If you see, there will be sign. See this sign, just release it, right? Okay, now on right side you have, since I have multiple windows, so just click this one and enter whichever screen you want to have on the right side. So this is how you can do in your Windows 10. You can also use I will show you Windows button on your Windows, plus you can use left or right arrows, right? What I used left mouse button clicked and dragged, right? Okay, now let me show you how I can do this with if I will click this one, just it is clicked. So I will click Windows button, which is on left side of your space bar next to the Alt. Click this and then left arrow key, right? It is clicked. So now I will click this one and enter, right? How easy it is. I think it will be very good for you to work like this with the split screen, I will say, right? Thank you very much for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.